This is why you need groupthink, but not that kind of groupthink. Ignorance is a fact of life. Sorry to break it to you, but that's the truth. No matter how smart you think you might be on your own, you're not. You can be the absolute best in your industry, but your brain's capacity will never reach the full potential that multiple brains working together can. The human mind is literally built for collaboration. The term groupthink can be a negative term when used in the way most people think of it, everyone agreeing for the sake of agreeing. But I'm going to introduce you to the beauty of a group thinking. Collective intelligence is seen throughout the natural world, like in flocks of birds, schools of fish, and ants building immaculate bridges. Thomas Malone, director of MIT Center for Collective Intelligence, put together a study that looked at 699 people working in groups of 2 to 5. The tasks included things like solving visual puzzles, brainstorming, making collective moral judgments, and negotiating over limited resources, the paper notes. Interestingly, the study revealed that it didn't make a big difference if everyone in the group was smart or if there was one genius driving everyone's behavior. Instead, there were specific qualities that, when put together, made the entirety of the group intelligent. Malone used the analogy of a brain to describe the results. Just because you have a bunch of smart neurons doesn't mean you'll have a smart brain. It depends on how the neurons are connected to each other. We need others. No one in the history of ever did something great on their own. Trust me, there will always be a group or team, even if just one other person, that has helped someone get to where they are. So, gain confidence today knowing you don't have to do it alone. You don't have to rise up the ranks by yourself. Think about this. Where is your team? Where is your group? Lean on them. Ask questions to people who will have answers. You don't have to figure it out yourself. You're not supposed to. And also, you don't have to go through life alone. We are made for collaboration. We are made for community and connection. So gain confidence today knowing that you're not going to do it alone, and that's a beautiful thing.